Hello Beth, how are you? Everything's fantastic over here. Let's go ahead and review the two barred chords that we had covered Thursday's lesson, A major and D major. Both of them take place on the 5th fret. The first chord, A major, your first finger bars across everything on the 5th fret. Everything. Your third finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the A string. Fourth finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the D string. And second finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the G. Strum it 3 times. No matter what it sounds like, strum it 3 times, then release. Give your hand a minute, or a second anyways, and try it again. First finger bars across everything. Third finger goes on the 7th fret. Fourth finger goes on the 7th fret of the D. Second finger goes on the 6th fret of G. One more time. Take your time getting into it, and it's not going to sound great when you're starting out. These chords never do. But the more you do it, the more likely you are to master it. Awesome. The next chord is going to be D major, also starting on the 5th fret, but it's going to be on the A string. So, we'll go to the 5th fret with our root note on the A string, and our third finger bars across everything on the 7th fret. We do not play high E and low E in this case though, so we try to strum right in the middle. Three times, release, give your hand a shake, back into position you go. Just show you what it looks like, extreme close-up. First finger, boom, third finger. Now extreme close-up of the A. First finger bars across everything, third, fourth. Now, they're called barred chords again because you have one finger playing more than one string, barring across a number of strings at the same time. Now, these chords are very important because a lot of songs, I should say a bunch of them, maybe even over 90% of all songs out there have these chords. And they're movable. So, I mean, you just don't play them in the 5th fret, you would be able to play them anywhere. Of course, depending on where the song is taking you. But I suggest practicing them on the 5th fret like you have been, so that way it's a comfortable spot and you kind of get a feel of the lower part of the neck and the higher part of the neck as well, just right in the middle there. So again, A major, first finger bars across everything on the 5th fret, third and fourth finger go on the 7th fret, third finger is on A, 7th fret, fourth finger is on D, 7th fret, second finger is on the G of the 6th fret, 2, 3, make sure that first finger bars across everything, and then your other fingers are arching, so that way they're not encroaching on the other strings. And D major. I'd say do this for maybe about 15 minutes a day. And if your hand gets tired, just stop doing it, give it a minute to kind of relax and go into something else. And you'll keep getting closer and closer to your goal of getting these chords down. And of course, if you get these chords down, the door's open to a number of different songs as well. So keep it up. You're doing fantastic. Call or email me if you have any questions along the way.